Let's add these rational expressions. X squared plus 2x over x plus 1 added to x plus 2 over x plus 1. Solution. Well, the first thing I notice is I'm very happy because we have a common bottom value. That's called a common denominator. So this is going to be an easy problem. Remember, you cannot add or subtract any kind of fraction unless you have the same bottoms. This one already has the same bottom, so we can just jump right into the work. Okay, step 1 and 2, since we have the same bottom, let's go ahead and do all of the work, all the addition across the top, x squared plus 2x plus x plus 2, all over a single version of the common bottom, x plus 1. Now let's simplify the top by combining like terms. We got x squared plus 3x plus 2, we add the 2x plus x, over the common bottom, x plus 1. Now step 3 says to factor and cancel, so the top factors by guessing, as x is in the first position, a 2 and a 1, everything's pluses, and we get a cancellation of the factor x plus 1 on the top and bottom. So all that remains is x plus 2, and that is our sum of the two rational functions. We are finished. Now let's do subtraction. 2x plus 5 over x squared minus 9 minus x plus 2 over the same x squared minus 9. Subtract. So once again, I'm very happy because I know I cannot add nor subtract fractions unless we have the same value on the bottom. And in this case, both of our rational functions, both of our fractions, have the same value on the bottom. So I don't need to figure out what the LCD is and go through all that trouble. So we're going to jump into step 1 and 2. Go ahead and do the subtraction across the top over a single version of the common bottom. On the top we have 2x plus 5 minus parenthesis. You have to use a parenthesis because we're going to subtract the entire x plus 2, not just the x, over the common denominator x squared minus 9. Now get rid of the parentheses on top by distributing the negative 1, and then we'll have 2x plus 5 minus x minus 2 over x squared minus 9. Now we're ready to simplify the top. Combine 2x minus x gives me x, and then combine 5 minus 2 gives me positive 3. So it's x plus 3 on the top over x squared minus 9 on the bottom. And finally, we're going to factor and cancel. The top doesn't factor, so we'll just put parentheses around it and consider the entire x plus 3 as a factor all by itself. The bottom factors because it's x squared minus 3 squared, and we have a formula for factoring x squared minus 3 squared. It's x plus 3 times x minus 3, and we get a cancellation of the common factor of x plus 3 on the top and bottom. And of course, when you cancel, it always leaves 1's behind, so the top has 1 and the bottom has x minus 3, and we're finished.